Very common mistake that can happen is, for some reason, if you have to leave your work and maybe you disconnect your microbit and you come back a few hours later and you plug it in again and you go to run your program and you go bang, and next thing all of a sudden, oh, serial exception, could not open port COM8. So what has happened is, often when you connect in the microbit, a kind of a virtual COM port is created, and it can take any number, maybe COM8, COM10, COM12, and sometimes, it can stay the same. But in this case, as we can see, the COM8 that we have kind of already provided the connection to the microbit for is not now currently working. So to get around this, we simply go to our command prompt and we type in the command mode, and we can see here now that our microbit is now connected to COM port 5. So all we have to do is come back in here, change this to COM5, press run again, and now there is our temperatures being pulsed again.